Hello, today I introduce Dr. Manav Agarwal, who's a leading cardiologist and managing COVID patients on a daily basis. Good morning, sir. We have a few questions from our team for you. I wanted to know what are the major cardiac issues with COVID?
Okay, COVID patients have a lot of cardiac issues. Though primarily it is thought of as a lung disease, but it has many cardiac issues, especially in those patients who have underlying cardiac diseases and patients with comorbidities like diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and others. See, we can broadly divide the cardiac manifestations into two parts. One that occur with direct cardiac injury, which occur by direct inflammation of the cardiac cells and vasculature, and one that occurs with thrombogenicity of the virus. The thrombogenicity of the virus causes hypercoagulability and formation of microvascular and macrovascular thrombus all over the body. That means clots are found in arteries, big arteries and small arteries all over the body.
So this is a problem with patients who don't have cardiac comorbidities also. मतलब ये किसी के लिए भी risky है.
Yes. रिस्की ज़्यादा उन लोगों के लिए है जिनको डायबिटीज़ है या फिर अंडरलाइन कोई और डिजीज़ है, लेकिन it is not really necessary. Any patient can manifest
with a cardiac problem.
Yeah.
So, sir, these cardiac problems stay only till the patient is positive, not till the patient has
with
coronavirus in his body.
Yes, with the limited knowledge of coronavirus that we have till now, what we have seen that even after discharge, these patients deteriorate. In fact, they come with sudden cardiac death. The cause is not fully understood, but it is thought that patient might have, because patients who have recovered from corona, they might develop clots in the vasculatures and causing heart attack, myocardial infarction. That may occur after the patient is discharged, because even though the patient does not have the virus in the body,
the patient is tested negative.
Yeah, but the clot formation is still happening.
Okay.
And secondly, the patient who have direct cardiac injury may also present with heart failure and sudden deaths.
Right, sir. And these patients, we heard stories of patients presenting with stroke and kidney failure once they are discharged from the hospital after COVID illness. Are these also related to the?
Yeah. This is all related to vascular injury, basically. See, what happens? There is formation of inflammation. There is a lot of inflammation in the body with this virus. So there is IL-6 mediated vascular injury. IL-6 is the inflammatory marker. अच्छा, ये मार्कर जो है ये डायरेक्ट वेसल इंजरी करने में एक कारगर होता है. तो ये वेसल कहीं की भी हो सकती है. This can be the heart, this can be the brain, this can be the
any organ of the body.
Any organ of the body, because the vasculature is everywhere.
Right, sir. Right.
तो vasculature कहीं पे भी है, वहीं पे चाहे वो लंग में हो, लंग में पल्मोनरी थ्रोम्बोलिज्म कर देगा. अच्छा. किडनी में वो किडनी फेलियर कर देगा, ब्रेन में स्ट्रोक कर देगा, हार्ट में हार्ट अटैक कर देगा. तो इट इज अ वैस्कुलर इशू.
तो ये जो जब पेशेंट को कोविड है तब तो वो पेशेंट टेंड्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, लेकिन एक बार नेगेटिव हो जाए उसके बाद टिल व्हाट टाइम पीरियड आर दीज इश्यूज एक्सपेक्टेड एंड टिल व्हेन डज अ पेशेंट नीड केयर?
ओके, ये बात जो है ना, द पेशेंट हैज टू बी मॉनिटर्ड. द पेशेंट हैज टू बी मॉनिटर्ड प्रॉपर्ली इवन एट होम. A doctor has to monitor the patient properly, and the patient has to do some baseline testing, like D-dimer, which is a test of formation formation of clot in the body. Okay. So the D-dimer test, if initially raised, then the patient should ideally be admitted, and if at home, the patient should be given parenteral medications.
Okay. So इसके अलावा सर जो थ्रोम्बोजेनिक पार्ट है, इसके अलावा भी पोस्ट कोविड इश्यूज आ रहे हैं क्या पेशेंट्स?
आ रहे हैं. डायरेक्ट इंजरी टू द हार्ट एक्सेप्ट फॉर द thrombogenicity causes loss in cardiac function and heart failure, because of which the patient might suffer from fatigue, from heart failure, from breathlessness even after the injury, and the recovery of which might take months and years altogether.
And so mental health
is also an issue, because patient is initially isolated from the surroundings. and then suddenly he developed breathlessness which was not there immediately. It's
So
called
ये भी post-COVID illness spectrum में.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So what can these patients do? What are they should be done ideally, and what should they do?
मैं बताऊंगा. These patients should be ideally monitored right from the first day. Even if they're in home isolation, at least they should be in contact with some doctor who should do their blood testing every second day or every third day, and who should monitor their condition on a daily basis. If that doctor, if that clinician feels that this patient needs to be admitted, the patient should definitely go to an institution, get admitted, and an institutional care shall be taken care.
Right, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.